Hi there, do you suffer from upper back pain? Yoga can help. In this video, we'll look at 12 gentle yoga poses, their benefits, and how to practice them safely and effectively. Click subscribe and let's get started. Start your yoga practice with a gentle warm-up, such as Surya Namaskar, to prepare your body for the more challenging poses that follow. Fish pose, Matsyasana. Muscles targeted, upper back, chest, and neck muscles. Benefits, stretches the upper back, opens the chest, and improves posture. How to do it: lie on your back, lift your chest, and rest the top of your head on the ground. Arch your upper back and press your forearms and elbows into the floor for support. Breathe deeply and hold for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Will pose, Chakrasana. Muscles targeted, spinal extensors, shoulders, and chest. Benefits, opens the entire front of the body, strengthens the upper back, and improves spinal flexibility. How to do it: lie on your back with knees bent and feet flat on the ground. Place your hands next to your head, fingers pointing toward your shoulders. Press into your hands and feet, lifting your hips and chest off the ground. Keep your thighs parallel. Hold for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Shoulder stand, Sarvangasana. Muscles targeted, upper back, shoulders, and neck muscles. Benefits, relieves tension in the upper back, improves circulation, and stimulates the thyroid gland. How to do it: lie on your back, lift your legs, and support your lower back with your hands. Straighten your legs and lift your hips, bringing your legs overhead. Support your back with your hands, keeping your elbows close together. Hold for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Avoid this pose if you have neck injuries. Plank pose, Phalakasana. Muscles targeted, core muscles, including the upper back and shoulders. Benefits, strengthens the entire core, improves posture, and stabilizes the spine. How to do it: start in a push-up position with your hands beneath your shoulders and toes tucked under. Engage your core, keeping your body in a straight line from head to heels. Hold for 30 seconds to 1 minute while maintaining steady breathing. Upward facing dog pose, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Muscles targeted, upper back, chest, and shoulders. Benefits, stretches the front body, strengthens the back muscles, and opens the chest. How to do it: start lying face down, place your hands next to your shoulders, and press into the hands, lifting your chest and torso off the ground. Keep your legs extended and tops of the feet pressing into the floor. Relax your shoulders away from your ears. Hold for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Eagle pose, Garudasana. Muscles targeted, upper back, shoulders, and arms. Benefits, improves balance, releases tension in the upper back, and stretches the shoulders. How to do it: start standing tall, cross your right arm under your left arm, and bend your elbows, bringing the palms together. Cross your right leg over your left, either hooking your foot behind the calf or wrapping it around your calf. Balance on your left foot and hold for 30 seconds. Repeat on the other side. Wide angle seated forward bend, Upavistha Konasana. Muscles targeted, hamstrings, inner thighs, and upper back. Benefits, stretches the back muscles, opens the chest, and improves flexibility. How to do it: sit on the floor with your legs extended wide apart. Flex your feet and engage your quadriceps. Hinge forward from your hips, keeping your spine long. Place your hands on the floor or grab your feet if possible. Hold for 30 seconds to 1 minute while breathing deeply. Seated forward bend pose, Paschimada Nasana. Muscles targeted, hamstrings, back muscles, and shoulders. Benefits, stretches the entire back body, promotes relaxation, and calms the nervous system. How to do it: sit on the floor with your legs extended. Inhale, lengthen your spine, then exhale, fold forward from your hips, reaching for your feet or shins. Relax your head and neck. Hold for 30 seconds to 1 minute, breathing deeply. Halasana, Plow Pose. Muscles targeted, upper back, shoulders, and hamstrings. Benefits, stretches the entire back body, calms the mind, and improves digestion. How to do it: lie on your back, lift your legs overhead, and bring your feet toward the ground behind your head. Support your back with your hands. Keep your legs straight or slightly bent. Hold for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Thread the needle pose, Parasva Balasana. Muscles targeted, upper back, shoulders, and neck. Benefits, relieves tension in the upper back, stretches the shoulders, and improves spinal mobility. How to do it: start on all fours. Slide your right arm underneath your left arm, lowering your shoulder and resting your right cheek on the ground. Extend your left arm forward or wrap it around your back for a deeper stretch. Hold for 30 seconds to 1 minute, then switch sides. Standing forward bend pose, Uttanasana. Muscles targeted, upper back, hamstrings, and calves. Benefits: releases tension in the upper back, stretches the hamstrings, and promotes relaxation. How to do it: stand with feet hip distance apart. Exhale and fold forward, hinging at your hips. Let your upper body hang freely, grabbing opposite elbows or placing your hands on the ground or blocks. Relax your neck and shoulders. Hold for 1 to 2 minutes. Camel Pose, Ustrasana, is a back bend that stretches the spine, opens the chest, and strengthens the back muscles. To do Camel Pose, start on your hands and knees, tuck your toes under, and lift your hips up towards the ceiling. Reach your hands back and grab your heels. Hold the pose for a few breaths, then slowly release back down to your hands and knees. To relax and unwind after a more active yoga session, end your practice with a restorative yoga sequence. Reclining bound angle pose, Supta Baddha Konasana, legs up the wall pose, Viparita Karani, and child's pose, Balasana, are all great poses to incorporate. Choose poses that you enjoy and that feel good in your body. Hold each pose for 5 to 10 minutes. You can also use props such as blankets, bolsters, and blocks to make the poses more comfortable. Thank you for watching. I hope you found the information helpful. If you are experiencing upper back pain, please consult with a healthcare professional to rule out any underlying medical conditions. If your upper back pain is caused by muscle tension or tightness, yoga can be a great way to relieve pain and improve your overall health. I encourage you to practice the yoga poses in this video regularly to help relieve your upper back pain and improve your overall well-being. Subscribe to my channel for more yoga videos. Namaste.